Hi, my name is Lily. I want to make a review on the Kwikset door handle. We have the privacy handle in the beautiful matte black, and we've been using this handle for over 2 years now, and we haven't experienced any paint fading or chipping. Because we have the privacy handle option, a key is included in the purchase, and unlocking the door is very straightforward. You just place it in and twist to the left. I like how these handles can be used for either right or left-handed doors, and it can be opened traditionally downward or in an upward motion. I convinced my husband to demonstrate how to install it. It seems fairly simple, and it took him like 2 minutes to complete. He begins with this middle part, and then he adds the handles one at a time, first beginning with the side that does not have the locking system, and then he connects them and adds the screws together. So yeah, we just really love this handle, and I'm sure it will last us a long time. I highly recommend.